The admissions for the session 2021 and 22 have started in University College Bahadurpur Mansa. University College Bahadurpur Mansa is the constituent college of Punjabi University Patiala. Punjabi University Patiala, which come into existence in 1962. This university was established primarily to meet the needs of the Malwa region, where Punjabi University Patiala has given a lot to the Malwa region in the field of education. At the same time, literary programs and sport programs and the work of research is also being done at a very high position in this university. After studying in this university, the students are engaged in very high positions. Similarly, the students of this university are making special achievements in the cultural field, especially in the field of film and music. Along with this, in the field of sports too, this university has given players of very high status. University College Bahadurpur Mansa is opened in the middle of Bereta and Budlada area of Mansa. This college was started in 2017. It's been 4 years since this college started. In a short span of time, University College Bahadurpur has achieved special achievements in this college where students are getting government job after completing their education. The students of this college are also achieving achievements in the field of cultural and sports. I appeal to all the students of area to visit this college once. The very beautiful campus of this college is built on 12 acres of land. Apart from BA and BCom in this college, there is master's level classes, MA English, MA Punjabi, MCom, PGDCA and BLib courses are being conducted. All the courses of the college have been started keeping in mind the needs of this area. I once again request all the students and their parents of this area that they must come to this college and visit the beautiful campus of this college and take admission in the courses which are going on in this college. The staff of this college is very hardworking, who talks to the students on every subject. They listen to their problems and tries to solve their problems. So I appeal to all the students to come to University College Bahadurpur Mansa and definitely take admission in the courses going on here. Thank you.